Bonjour, bonjour. I just received this box, which in the content or the context of this box is my new RC car. Hello, how you doing? Hello, doggy. My dog is just outside in the balcony. So what we have here is, you can't see my address, Jrx2. The old iconic Losi car, Jrx2, but the mini version of it. So let's open that. Holding my GoPro with one hand, and the whole thing is moving. Just 1 second. Okay, we're almost there. A little bit bigger. There's something underneath the box that's not helping me. So there you go, bro. Almost there. Okay. Another cup, and there we have it. The Jrx2 was a buggy, electric RC buggy that came out back in the late 80s, I think, 90s, well, I think it was 88 or 89, something like that, around that era. I raced the Jrx2 in the late 80s and early 90s, and I'm working with one hand here, so it's kind of slow. So there it is. Let's move this. Maybe you can see it better now. I'll leave the light at a distance. Now let me close this blade here so I don't cut myself. I'm using one hand. Let's pull it out. Okay, put it sideways as such, as so. So there you go. This is an iconic 1/10 scale Losi Jrx2, but it's the mini version. So I've had fun with these over 30 years ago. A lot of bashing, and also driveway running, driveway racing, off-roading outdoors, indoors, etc., and so on. It comes with everything that you need. So it comes fully assembled already. Has all the electronics, steering servo. Don't mind me if I worked all day, so my mouth is a bit lazy to speak. Motor, electronic speed controller, servo, everything's there. The body's there, blah blah blah. Anodized shocks. Here's the list of everything that comes with it. It comes also with a battery and also a USB charger, since this is a 1/16 scale as opposed to being 1/10. So there are the stats for it. Some pictures. And that's pretty much it. It also comes with a radio. That's the original. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to work with one hand. One hand holding the camera. Unique Losi 5-link suspension system, fiberglass chassis, real rubber off-road tires, lightweight wheels, wide track front end, rack type steering, precision steel ball bearing, comes with ball bearings, modern transmission design, internally pressurized oil-filled shocks needed to complete. Memories of your Jrx2, nothing else, enjoy. So the radio comes with this as well. It was $149 including tax, and this is Canadian dollars. So let's see what's inside the box finally. So here you have the instructions, the AA batteries for the transmitter, the USB charger, a little sticker. And there's the car. Of course, everything's tied down. The transmitter's here. It's a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, and there's the car. Look at the action of the shocks. It feels just like back in the day, the Jrx2, even though it's a small version. This is the antenna here, body clips. Well, it's gonna be awesome to drive. I can't wait to drive it. Anyways, I'm not taking it out of the box right now. Anyways, thanks for watching my unboxing video. I know it took a long time. I'm using one hand for the camera and the other hand to open the box. Once again, I got it from Great Hobbies in Ontario. I'm in Quebec, so $149, taxes included. Free shipping, so thank you for that. And I can't wait to charge the battery and get this going. That's it. Thank you very much. Give a comment and like and subscribe and watch my other crazy videos. Cheers. Bye-bye.